LG's bold move, taking control of the future with AI-powered robotics. Big news from LG Electronics, they've doubled down on robotics. The South Korean tech giant just acquired an additional 30% stake in Bear Robotics, a California-based startup known for AI-powered serve robots for restaurants. This move gives LG a majority ownership at 51%, officially making Bear a part of the LG family. While LG hasn't revealed the exact price tag yet, reports suggest the deal was about $180 million, valuing Bear at $600 million. That's a lot of investment for robots that deliver your food, but with founder John Hay, an ex-Google engineer and restaurateur, still leading the charge, LG is battling on some serious innovation. Bear's expertise lies in managing fleets of robots remotely, a perfect fit for LG's vision of integrating these systems with the commercial and home robotics. LG has been quietly building a robotic empire for years, from airport guiding robots to home hubs that can even hold a conversation. With this deal, LG plans to develop a comprehensive software platform for robotics across industries, setting the stage for the future where robots become centre to how we live and work. The message is clear that LG isn't just investing in technology, they're investing in the future, and the future might just serve you dinner. And that's your news update for today. Don't forget to join me in my weekly robot workshop if you're interested in learning